Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to make your power windows move up and down faster. If you've ever experienced slow-moving windows or want to enhance the speed of your power windows, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Check for any obstructions. Before attempting any modifications, it's important to ensure that there are no obstructions preventing your power windows from moving smoothly. Inspect the window tracks and clean out any dirt, debris, or sticky residue that might be causing friction. Lubricate the window tracks. To improve the speed of your power windows, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the window tracks. This will help reduce friction and allow the windows to move more freely. Be sure to use a lubricant that is safe for use on automotive components. Adjust the window regulator tension. In some cases, adjusting the tension of the window regulator can help increase the speed of your power windows. Locate the window regulator mechanism, usually found inside the door panel, and look for any adjustment screws or bolts. Carefully tighten or loosen these screws or bolts to find the optimal tension for faster window movement. However, be cautious not to over-tighten, as it may cause damage. Upgrade the power window motor. If you've tried the previous steps and still aren't satisfied with the speed of your power windows, you may consider upgrading the power window motor. Upgraded motors are designed to provide faster operation and improved performance. Consult with a professional or research compatible motor options for your specific vehicle make and model. Seek professional assistance. If you're not comfortable performing any modifications yourself or if you're unsure about any steps mentioned, it's always best to seek professional assistance. An experienced mechanic or automotive technician will have the expertise to diagnose any underlying issues and recommend appropriate solutions. There you have it. By following these steps, you can enhance the speed of your power windows and enjoy a smoother and more efficient operation. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult a professional if needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.